Hey, shovelheadffej here, and if you don't believe who I am, I actually have proof of who I am. Kind of chilly this morning. And I'm a little bit under the weather, got a little cold or something like that. I want to do this quick introduction of this video. Excuse me just for a second. Oh, sorry about that. Like I said, I got just a little bit of a cold. I want to do this quick introduction on this video. I want to first of all say Merry Christmas to each and every one of you guys. It's been a pretty crappy year, and look forward to looking forward to a new year. You know, a better year in spite of everything. Excuse me. I hope that's over with. But anyway, where was I at? Oh yeah, I'm outside, so the lighting kind of sucks, and the rooster's over there, but I guess he can hear me talking. Anyway, fixing to go fishing in my little solo skiff. Going to take the day off. Well needed, I guess. Had family down and stuff like that. Anyway, I want to introduce this video. I'm riding a 2019 Road Glide. Man, what an awesome bike. And thank you, Gunner. Thank you, Zach. And thank you, Bert at Bert's Black Widow. What a great group of guys. It's really the first Harley dealership that I've ever had a relationship with. I'm not getting paid. They didn't give me anything. The only thing they let me do was borrow a motorcycle. And I went in there and I wanted to shoot a video, and I had a very specific video that I wanted to shoot, and I talked to Gunner, and man, Gunner didn't even hesitate. He was like, yeah, no, not a problem, man. So they gave me a 2019 bike to ride. No questions asked. He even filled it up full of gas, which is freaking awesome. The bike is for sale. I mean, they took it right off their showroom, or out of their lot, and and gave it to me. And the only thing that they asked me was basically just bring it back in one piece, or at least big enough pieces that they can fix. But it's my cat. That's Crazy Cat. He's a turd. Like I said, I have a farm, all kind of animals. Anyway, thank you guys at Bert's. If you're anywhere 2-3 hours, man, I guarantee you it's worth the drive. First of all, he's going to give you a free beer. I think he gives 2 or 3 or 4. I forgot. I don't really think they count. There's always free beer there. There's always the Twisted Fork, which is on the same piece of property, which is a fantastic restaurant, which I'm going to do a review of the restaurant pretty soon. I've been there. I've ate there so many times. It is now my favorite restaurant. But thank you, Bert, Gunner, and Zach. Go down there and check them out. If you're tired of the jerks at the Harley dealerships, then I would say go down to Bert's. It's worth the drive. If anything, just stop in and see the guys there. And if you buy a motorcycle, tell them that shovelheadffej sent you, and they'll give you a free t-shirt. Okay, I don't know if that's true or not. I know that when you buy a motorcycle, they give you a free t-shirt. I was just trying to be cool because, Anyway, and give a shout out to a Shade Tree Surgeon. If you guys don't subscribe to him, which I don't know, I think everybody subscribes to the guy, but if you haven't checked him out, check him out. Super good guy, great hospitality. The other day I went up to the Dirty Shame, and he treated me great, fantastic. He's the same person off camera as he is on camera. A very kind, caring. Well, he probably doesn't want me to say that he's kind, but yeah, he's a great guy. Shade Tree, thank you very much. Appreciate for the shout out. Appreciate the beer. Sorry I spilt it on your floor. Yeah, anyway, have a great Christmas, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for like, sharing, and subscribing, and watch this video all the way to the end. I always try to put something at the very end. And if you don't watch it all the way to the very end, then you really don't get to see the whole video. Thank you guys, each and every one of you, man. Peace. Have a great Christmas and a great New Year's. I'll see you again, or you'll see me. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, then you're the problem. Then you're the reason why this world is so effed up. So anyway, thank you guys. Love y'all. You know what I mean. But all right, peace. videos that way.
Now go subscribe.